Hi, I'm Caitlin Gear, a master's student at Jacksonville University. Today we are going to talk about vocabulary instruction. As teachers, we know how important vocabulary instruction is. Vocabulary influences a student's reading development and comprehension. Understanding a student's vocabulary knowledge is important for teaching the words that students need to know for proper reading development and comprehension. Picking appropriate vocabulary from a book to teach students can be a difficult task. This video will provide several tips on how to choose and teach vocabulary during and after the read aloud. The first tip for choosing vocabulary to teach from the read aloud is to skim the text ahead of time. You will want to pick words that are essential for comprehension of the story and Tier 2 words. Tier 2 words are found across a variety of domains and are not exclusive to one content area or context. It also helps to look for words that are interesting or fun to say. As a rule of thumb, keep the amount of vocabulary words down to 4 or 5. This provides time for more in-depth instruction of words. The next tip for teaching vocabulary in text is to choose appropriate strategies to teach the new words. You will want to choose strategies that align with your set learning goals. For example, providing examples might be used to develop a new concept before reading. Then, in the reading, a student-friendly definition included to reinforce the learning. Another way to teach students selected words is by using the following procedure. Describe the word and how it is generally used. Explain how the word is used in everyday language, and then invite students to help you explain the word. Once the words have been introduced and taught, it is a good idea to review the words learned. One way you can review the words is in a test-like format. For example, a fill-in-the-blank or multiple-choice sheet will provide a formative assessment so you can know where students are at and reteach if necessary. The third tip is to have a multitude of strategies to continually teach and reinforce the new vocabulary. The first strategy is to build or add to a word wall. A word wall is a way the teacher can continually remind students of high-frequency words by multiple exposures to learned vocabulary. The beauty of word walls is that you can organize them the way that you like best. For example, you can organize the words by core subject area. Another strategy for introducing new words is clap, chant, write. This is a multi-sensory activity for learning new words by utilizing the word wall. The teacher says and displays the word. The students then say and chant the words. Then, students write the words and then trace around the words. Frayer models are a classic strategy that helps students understand new vocabulary by connecting it to what they already know. The materials needed for the Frayer model are paper folded or printed with the Frayer model template, pencils, and paper. The word is written in the middle, and the teacher initiates discussion of essential and non-essential information, and examples and non-examples of the word. The students then fill in the model. This activity can be done whole class, in groups, or individually. Vocabulary instruction is essential for reading development and comprehension. These tips and strategies can help you provide your students with robust and fun vocabulary instruction. Remember to have fun and encourage students to look for and learn new words. Thank you for watching this Read USA teacher video about vocabulary instruction. Feel free to use these tips with any of the books from the other Read Aloud videos or your own books. If you liked this video, be sure to check out our other videos on the Read USA website.